What's up guys, it's Josh. Welcome back to my channel. I've been busy with life recently with a new move and a big transition in my life, and I just had to take some time off, but I'm happy to say I am back. So please guys, hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, and if you can, follow me on Instagram where I'll be posting notifications and daily updates as far as YouTube and my music goes. But enough about me guys, I want to jump into today's video because I am super excited about it. I'm talking about Cuts Clothing. Now I have to be honest, when Cuts Clothing reached out to me, I actually had no idea who they were. So I went over to their Instagram and I checked them out. Came to see that Cuts Clothing has over 130,000 Instagram followers, and they're followed by some notable accounts such as Bluemon, Menlo Club, Steve Cook, Jake Kassan, Rory Kramer, and tons more guys. This brand has one particular saying, and it is, "This is the only shirt worth wearing," and I gotta be honest, I couldn't agree more. Now, if you guys remember back in my first YouTube video, I talked about fashion just a little bit and how keeping it simple can go a long way. Less is more. And I have to be honest, Cuts Clothing is exactly that. So the first shirt I am wearing by Cuts Clothing is a Henley with a split down at the bottom. Now guys, one of the reasons I really like this shirt is because it fits extremely well against my body. Most times when I buy split shirts, it goes out super wide, so it makes me look like the shirt is oversized by a lot. And if you watch Alex Costa's videos at all, you know that oversized shirts are no longer in. Going off of that, I love how their shirts fit. You put them on right out of the box and they just fall perfectly against your body. They do not elongate, they're not super big, they're perfect, and they don't have to be washed right away to shrink them. Sometimes when I buy shirts, because of my size, I'm 6'2", 205 pounds, sometimes my shirts will just be extremely big. Their shirts are slim fit, which fit perfectly against your body. One thing I really like about the Henley design is that not only the splits on the bottom, but you work your way up to the neckline. We have the 3 buttons. The 3 buttons, I think, when you unbutton either 2 to 3, it gives you that masculine but still sexy look. It also is simple, like I said, less is more, but it gives you a nice fashionable design to whatever you're wearing. A nice jacket, jean jacket over it, and it'll still look good, and it gives you a little bit more of a fashionable look. Now just to give you guys an example, if you throw on a nice leather jacket with your Henley, it looks clean, it looks sophisticated, but it also gives you that I'm not trying too hard to impress you look, but it's still a head turner. Now, a lot of people, including myself, question when they're buying online from an Instagram company such as Cuts Clothing, the fit of their sizes. So usually when I'm buying something, I like to go a size bigger than what I usually wear, but I actually kept it simple this time. I went with extra larges and 1 large, and this is the large that I bought. Obviously you can see it fits a little bit tighter, whereas the Henley I was just wearing was an extra large. So just give you perspective, obviously the lower you're gonna go, right? This is a large where I usually wear extra large, it's gonna fit a little bit tighter. This is a Crewneck classic fit. What it means by Crewneck classic fit, right, is we're not having the 3 buttons like we did on the Henley previously, and we don't have splits down below. So if we're not working with splits, we're working with the classic look where it just has a little swoop, but not very much. Because it keeps things very simple, right? But you still look fashionable, you still look like, hey, that guy has a nice shirt, who made that? I get questions all the time asking me what shirt I'm wearing because usually people don't feel this kind of material. Guys, I'm telling you, Cuts Clothing material is a step above any other material I've had or have in my wardrobe right now. All right, now if you guys know me personally, you know that my wardrobe is filled with tons of white t-shirts. I can't help it, I love having white t-shirts, and honestly, the statement is true, you can never have enough. That being said, you can definitely have a favorite, and mine is now the Cuts Clothing Classic White t-shirt. Classic fit on the bottom, right? We're not going with an elongated or a split bottom, we are going with a classic look, and up top we have the classic crew neck look. Now this shirt fits perfectly as is. I've washed it already, it shrunk barely any, and it still fits perfectly. One thing I like about this shirt as well is it is very versatile in what you can wear with it. This is very important for me because I love to wear jackets, leather jackets, jean jackets, coats. Anything that I can have looks better with a nice white undershirt. Now I'm in Colorado currently and it is very cold. It's been snowing nonstop, so I've been wearing tons of jackets, but I always make sure I have my nice white t-shirt underneath because, like I said, it's simple but it goes a long way. It gives that classic look. A huge thing, guys, that I like about this t-shirt is when I buy most of my t-shirts from stores, H&M, Zara's, wherever it may be, what happens a lot is the lining around the arms will start to get a little bit loose, and it'll make my shirt kind of lose that clean fitted look. One thing Catch Clothing I've noticed has not done is it has not lost the fit around my arms. This is huge for me because I like the style where things fit well and they stay that way throughout the day, because I don't want to be out and I notice my t-shirt arms are starting to loosen up, which makes me look like my shirt just doesn't fit properly. That's the reason why it took me a little bit of time to make this video, because I wanted to make sure that I was showing you guys the things that I like about these shirts and the things that I don't. And honestly, so far I really don't have a pros and cons list, because it's all pros so far. I haven't really found a con. Lastly, guys, I wanted to go over the black Henley that I received from Catch Clothing that has the split bottoms and the 3 buttons up top. One thing I love about it is that it fits so well, it's comfortable. Guys, this is a shirt that I've been wearing non-stop because I can wear it around the house, I can wear it when I go out, I can wear it anywhere that I need to, whether it be a high fashion event or whether it be at home watching a movie. It's comfortable yet stylish, and I think that is my favorite thing about Catch Clothing. They have mastered the simple look, but still keep things elegant and fashionable so you can stay up to date. Now guys, this is not a paid partnership with Catch Clothing. They just sent me some items that I could try, review, and give my honest opinion to you guys. So if you can, follow them on Instagram, Catch Clothing. Click the link in their bio, go shop around, see what you like. I highly recommend the 4 items I showed you today. They have different colors, a wide variety, and I myself will certainly be getting more. Now guys, these shirts range anywhere from $30 to $60 depending on which cut you're getting, what kind of shirt you're getting, and the color. Now I know this can be a little bit expensive sometimes compared to H&M's $7 shirt. However, I promise you it's completely worth it. And if you want, I'll help you out. I'll give you my discount code for 15% off at checkout. It's Josh_Welchert. Use that when you're checking out to get 15% off. If you guys end up getting some of Catch Clothing, please tag me on Instagram. Let me see your shirts. Let me see what kinds you got, how they fit. Also, leave your comments down below on feedback from this company. Also, my video. If you'd like to see more content review, please let me know down below, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe, leave your comments down below. I will reach back to each and every one of you on some new content ideas, feedback. It's always appreciated. Again, I will be posting every week from here on out, so please stay tuned, and I will see you guys next time.